How to change temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius on iPhone. So if you want to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius or from Celsius to Fahrenheit, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So for the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius or from Celsius to Fahrenheit on your iPhone in temperature units, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, on the settings page, scroll down, click on General. While on the general page, you want to scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you get to language and region and click on it. There you go. Then you should see temperature here. And my temperature is set to Celsius, degrees Celsius. So go ahead and click on it. Then you have option to switch to Fahrenheit here, degree Fahrenheit, or stick to degree Celsius. So if you prefer to use degree Celsius, just make sure you check degree Celsius, and if you prefer to use degree Fahrenheit, just go ahead and check Fahrenheit. And once you've selected it, hit the back button. You're gonna see the temperature unit comes up here. You see that? So that is basically how to change temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.